Good morning, Conley friends. Today is Monday, April 13th. We're going to do some math. All right, so we are working on one-step word problems. So when you do a word problem, one of the most important things is to figure out those questions we keep asking ourselves. What's the problem talking about? What do I know? What does it already tell me? What do I need to find out? So, and then how am I going to do that? Like what strategy, what operation? Do I need to add? Do I need to subtract? Is my number going to be bigger? Is my number going to be smaller? So let's see what we can do with this one. All right, so let's read it. It says, Seth has 9 grapes. His dad gives him some more grapes. Now Seth has 15 grapes. How many grapes did Seth's dad give him? So you notice I always put my numbers in red to kind of make them stand out. But this isn't a number, but these words are important. It says some more. So some more means an amount. We don't know how many. But it's important to know that this would be a number. All right, so what are we talking about? Let's read it again. Seth has 9 grapes. His dad gives him some more grapes. Now Seth has 15 grapes. How many grapes did Seth's dad give him? So what are we talking about? We're talking about grapes. This kid named Seth has some grapes. All right. How many, what do we know? We know he started with 9 grapes. We know his dad gave him some more. And that now he has 15 altogether. Those are the things we know. What do we want to know? We want to know how many grapes did Seth's dad give him? Okay, we can figure that out. So, think in your head, do I want to use a number? Well, first of all, am I going to add a subtract? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start by writing an equation as I read it. So Seth has 9 grapes. His dad gives him some more. So if I'm getting more, that would tell me addition. So I'm going to say add. But here's the tricky part. I don't know how many he added. I don't know how many he got, so I'm going to put a question mark. So he had 9 grapes. His dad gave him some more. And now he has 15 altogether. So it looks like an addition problem. But I'm not going to add 15 and 9 because this is how many he has altogether. So my number can't be any bigger than that 15. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my fact family and see if that helps. So 9 plus a question mark equals 15. Question mark plus 9 also equals 15. I can bring my 15 over here. 15 minus question mark equals 9, or 15 minus 9 equals question mark. So this gives us a nice subtraction problem to show us what we need to find. Now, so I know I need to subtract, or I could use addition to subtract. We've done that. So what am I going to do? I could count on, right? I could start at 9 and count on. So let me try that. If I use my fingers, I could go like this. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that gets me into my next hand, but that works. I could use that. I could use a number line. So let me try this. What if I make myself a little number line? And since I can make my number line any way I want, I'm not going to start at 1 or 2 because I know I'm going to start at 9. So I'm going to start at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to end at 15. All right. And then I could do this. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that works. Let me try, I could try a couple 10 frames, right? So if I do a 10 frame like this, like that. So I have 2 10 frames. I'm going to start with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to keep going until I get to 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was 6. Okay. I also just noticed something. I noticed when I was making my 10 frame that I made a 10. So I could have gone like this. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 5 more would be 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15. So I could have done that, right? I could have done that. All those different ways. So my final answer is, how many grapes did Seth's dad give him? My answer is 6 grapes. And that's it. So have a great day. Keep learning alive. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Stay kind to each other and kind to yourself.